huge ass box of shit that I probably should not have ordered. This is a quarterly box. It is $49.99. I am an annual member, so I paid for the entire year. The perk of doing that is that you get early access to everything. You get to choose a little bit more that's in your box. And I literally signed up to be a select member, which is like when you pay for the yearly thing, because I wanted this fucking planner. It's a fucking $12 planner. Like I don't know why I do the things that I do when it comes to shopping, but I am literally Rebecca Bloomwood from Shopaholic series. I grew up like reading the books, and now I'm like, that's why you read the book, Sigrid, because you are her. Let's just dig in and see what the hell that I bought, because I don't even know what I bought anymore. This box actually took quite a bit to get to me. In fact, like I didn't see like it moving at all for like several days, and then it just popped up today. And now I realize it's probably because it's so huge. I'm like, oh my God, what did I order? We're gonna get to the bottom of this, literally. That was weird. Well, I'm gonna do the box last because I have some extra stuff inside of the box that I want to show you guys. I did some add-ons, so let's do those first. All right, so the first thing I got was the Black Cleanse and Exfoliate Charcoal Wipes. I freaking love these wipes. So they have like these like little, it's like a scrubbing like side that like in my opinion, it helps take off my makeup like really, really nicely. And I've never seen another makeup remover wipe thingy that have like this little scrubbers on these sides. So it's like little dots that you can just use to kind of like scrub the makeup off. And then all I have to do is kind of like wash my face, and like it's completely gone. Like this was so good. The next thing I got is this daily lip scrubber from Daily Concept. This was $5. I literally probably should not have bought this because, girl, why do I do these things? Why did I do these things? Why? The next thing I got, I remember this was $9. This is the Poopery Before You Go toilet spray. This is in lavender peppermint. It was on the add-on shop for $9. I love this stuff. I do have my own apartment, and I have guests and friends to come over all the time. So I do like to have this, just for, when you have to go, you spray the toilet, and it really does work. Like when I was in law school, I would have like the miniature version of this, and I would take it to school every day because I'm like really OCD about like going to public restrooms and people smelling me. Even for like pee, it's not just for poop. Like if you like pee and you just like, I don't want anyone to like, if you're weird like me, just get this shit, okay? I got a second one too. I know, I got a second one. This one is in the scent Royal Flush, and it was also $9. I don't even remember getting two. I think when they sent me the invoice or whatever at the end, I was like, shit, I got two, I didn't mean to. So I got a pencil pouch because I'm weird. I'm not even a student anymore, so that's how I know that I have a problem shopping. I bought a pencil pouch. I got it because it's so freaking cute. I'm gonna take it out the bag. Oh, look how pretty it is though. It's a Lily Pulitzer. When I was growing up, Lily Pulitzer, whatever, Lily Pulitzer was the shit. We had the backpacks, we had the pencils, we had the notebooks. Like, if you had Lily Pulitzer, like you were like the popular kids. The thing I got is also another item that I don't know why I bought because I'm not a student anymore, Sigrid. So it's like a clipboard notepad thingy. So pretty. And I was like, I have to have this. And I was like, I still work. Oh, and it has like a little thing for your pencil, for your pen. It's in a little folder thing. Come on, you guys, it's completely worth it. I love these things. I don't know if this was an add-on or if it was an extra choice item, but this is a bag, and it's like a little backpack thing because I don't know. I used to have like a backpack when I was growing up, and I was just like so cute. Like when I was a teenager, I would think I was cool because I had a backpack on. I was like, oh, I'm too cool because I have a freaking backpack. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be, but I mean, I'll still wear it, I guess. And there's like writing on the little thingy. So I think that is all of my add-ons. So let's get on to what is in the box. The very first thing you get is the magazine. This is really helpful to let you know the prices of everything. The very first thing that I see is a Hello Fresh kit. If you guys want, you can pause that and just have at it. I also got something from Gather the Good. This is 15% off your first FABFITFUN box. Bright Sellers. I don't use that. Feel free to pause. For the first thing, I actually picked two things. You've already seen the Botkier New York sugar bag. This is actually valued at $100. I think I paid like $15 extra for it because it was an extra selection choice. So $100 bag for $15, hell yes, every time. My main selection was this bag. This is a New York Fun Tote. This is valued at $128. So, there. It's cute. I really just was like trying to get something to like just carry around when I needed to carry like books and shit, but yeah. It doesn't look like a $128 bag, so my pick was the hair removal device. It was the only thing that I thought that I would like. It's gold, honey. It's gold. That is so cute. All right, do I have hair anywhere? Probably here. Doesn't hurt. Oh, feels a little warm there. Probably like a little bit there. All right, enough fun. I don't know if anything came off, but the next thing I got was a jewelry item. I'm not really a jewelry person, but I will pick up the jewelry item if it's like the only thing that I remotely like. So it comes in a plastic bag, and then you see like a little pouch. I am opening it. Let's see. Ooh. Just a random cardboard paper thingy. It says Jenny Bird. Another plastic bag. What am I, a drug dealer? You know what? I'm just gonna hold it up. So this is how it looks. It's one of those kind of bracelet, and it just kind of goes on like this, and you're supposed to clasp it, but I can't. This is one of those bracelets that you just can't do on your own. Like, you have to have someone to clasp it for you. This is the Jenny Bird Austin cuff. It is a $135 jewelry piece. A mix of classic and modern change. This cuff is for the lady who loves a good stack. Okay, that's probably why I got it, because I was like, well, it's a $135 chain, like, you know, let me just try it. But I usually don't wear jewelry. I'm just not, it never just phases me. Mason jar hydration kits were $35. Stitch to plastic and opt for the sleek glass bottle, which holds up to 20 ounces. Cute. Ooh. Glass. Okay. I am seeing, I did not want this item at all, but there was a selection of choices, which I will show now. This was the only thing that I liked out of that selection. And so I picked these, which I don't even see myself using them. Like, that's like, it was just not anything in that group that I like. This is the 8 Other Reasons Runaway Clip Trio. This is worth $32. Pin your hair with this trio of resin plated pins. This is it out of the package. So it's just one of those, it's not something that I see myself wearing, but I will keep it in my little hair accessories thing. Maybe if I'm wearing like a cute little wig and I just want to just add like something there, like maybe. Okay, so the next item I am seeing is from Beauty Papier. Golden Superfood Antioxidant Shower Gel. It has pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange, and aloe vera. Comes in a plastic bag. I think that's really smart so that it doesn't like spill out over everything else. That is really cute. And okay, look. This is cute. That's a good smell. I'll use it. It's not overly fragrant, which is probably good because that might mess with my skin. This is a $30 shower gel. The Scrumptious shower gel is made with a blend of golden superfood ingredients. The next thing I see is from Daniel Stone Perfume. This is a room spray. It's 5 ounces. Spritz your room with a musky blend of sandalwood and cardamom. This is worth 36 doll hairs, okay? 36 of them. That smells really good. Okay, now I know how sandal, like, okay. That smells super good. I wouldn't pay $36 for it, but it smells really good and I'm happy to have it, but, oh, this kind of smells like a man a little bit. I'm used to smelling sandalwood in a lot of men's colognes, so I think that's why I just immediately am like, oh, it smells like a man, but like, yes, okay, let me pretend like I have a man in my house. The next thing I have is Crease Release Classic Removes Wrinkles, and this is from the Laundress. Easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabric with this spray, especially when ironing isn't an option. $16. That's not bad at all. Ooh, it kind of smells like Snuggle. Yeah, it definitely has that Snuggle kind of fabric softener smell to it. Ooh, okay. I can't wait to use this. I have a lot of wrinkled clothes, so I'm gonna be using the hell out of this. All right, so that is everything that I got in my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yay, another box. Like, I spend the most money on this box alone. It's always $100. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but you guys can live vicariously, or we can just discuss it in the comments. You can tell me what you bought so that I can live vicariously through you. Until next time, I will see you. Bye.